My name is Sumaya Rumaim. I'm the founder and executive director of the Women's Empowerment Coalition of New York City. Women's Empowerment Coalition founded in 2020 to serve the women in South Brooklyn.
It's just not helping them individuals, but also their families and also the future generations. With that we're gonna build healthier and stronger community.
We teach them English lessons, but today we covered a training about how to navigate their resources in the community, how to navigate the schools, how to navigate the healthcare system, especially for young parents who are new here. Being alone is difficult to navigate, and when you have a children, it's tough to fit in a community, in a new society. So we covered all those topics today.
El motivo de aprender inglés es porque yo quiero cómo hacer la tarea con mis hijos.
ايوه حسيت تغيير اول حاجه لانه خلاني افكر في الناس يعني ايش كيف حياتهم احاول اني احسن من حياتي من خلالهم.
Many of our students became staff because the people who's from the community are the people who's gonna work very hard to make sure to meet the need of our community because they are from the community and they know everyone in the community.
I'm working here doing translate. Little by little, because I was one of the students here learning English and I improved my English, so they give it to me the opportunity to work in this organization.
This project is very important because many of the moms has facing a lot of issues and they don't know from where to start and from where to ask for support. And there are a lot of issues because of language barrier, and we're making sure that these people comes to the space. It's one-stop stop, whether with services or education or advocacy work to support their kids in schools or like food pantry. So we make sure that they find everything that they need.
بصراحة لقيت كثير من المساعدات. أولاً من ضمنها في إنه تعليم اللغة، من ضمنها مساعدات إنه أنا ببحث على سكن، بيوروني المواقع، مساعدات في الطعام، لأنه أنا لوحدي يعني معي غير بنتي.
How long have you been coming here to the Women's Empowerment Coalition?
One day.
One day? It's your first day?
Yeah, today.
Oh, amazing.
I like the teacher here, connect with the student, and when something you don't understand, you have to translate. It's good. I like this.
I'm so happy the opportunity they give it to me and they give it to everyone here.
This project was funded by the People's Money. To learn more about projects happening in your borough, visit participate.nyc.gov.